Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Jimbans TV. So guys, in today's video, ituturo ko ngayon sa inyo guys kung paano mag-transfer ng money or mag-send ng money from CIB Bank to GCash. Okay, so ngayon guys, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-transfer. Okay, so meron akong available balance dito ngayon guys sa PassPlus account ko na 1,001 pesos. So, ang plano ko ito guys, gusto ko sana i-transfer itong available balance ko na 1,000 pesos to GCash. Okay? So, first guys, meron kayong makikitang transfer. Okay? Click lang natin itong transfer. Okay, so sa transfer, may makikita kayong transfer to. Okay, so click lang natin guys itong to other banks. Click lang natin to other banks. Okay, so dito guys, may makikita natin yung transfer to other banks. So there are two ways kung paano transfer. So, there are two ways guys, PesoNet and DragonPay. Okay, so sa PesoNet guys, mayroon ditong note na transfer placed after 3:45 PM will be settled within 2 banking days. Okay, dito guys sa PesoNet, kailangan guys, bago mag 3:45 PM, kailangan may transfer nyo na yung money kung saan yung transfer. Sample, banks, GCash, kung ano pang, at iba pang gusto nyo siyang i-transfer. Okay? So, dito, kailangan talaga before 3:45 PM. Pero kapag lumampas na kayo guys ng 3:45 PM, masisettle yon within 2 banking days na. Okay? So, medyo matagal guys. Pero, pag before 3:45, okay guys, pag 3:45, makukuha nyo yun guys within a day. Okay? Within today guys, makukuha nyo yung pera. Okay? Sa DragonPay naman guys, transfer placed after 1 PM will be settled within 2 banking days. So dito guys, kailangan guys, before 1 PM, may transfer nyo na yung money sa GCash. Okay? Kailangan ma-transfer nyo siya. Okay? So, sabi dito guys, after 1 PM, will be settled within 2 banking days. So, after 1 PM guys, kailangan talaga dito guys, after 1 PM, makukuha nyo yung money o matatanggap nyo na yung money within 2 banking days na. So, medyo matagal guys. So, sa ngayon guys, gusto ko sana guys sa PesoNet. Okay? Click ko lang tong PesoNet. Okay, PesoNet tayo guys. Okay, sa PesoNet guys, select your account. Okay, so sa select your account, mayroon tayong 3 account. Okay, yung PassPlus. Okay, PassPlus, GSave, and AppSave. Okay? So, mayroon tayong 3 account na pwedeng pagpilian o transferan ng money. Okay? So, select from, okay, select your account. So, sa akin guys, PassPlus. Okay, sa PassPlus ko, click ko lang yung PassPlus, which is dun nakalagay yung 1,000 pesos. Okay, kung saan, so, recipient bank. Dito guys, kung saan nyo itatransfer yung money. Okay. So, pag select natin to guys, yan, maraming bank na pwedeng pag-transferan. Okay. Mamimili lang kayo dito guys. Ito niya, for example, BDO, yan, Cebuana, CIB Bank, at marami pang iba. Okay. So, dito guys, sa ngayon guys, gusto ko sana transfer to sa GCash. So, click lang natin tong GCash. G-Exchange Incorporated GCash. Yan. So, dito guys, yung GCash. Yung amount. Okay, so amount since gusto ko 1,000 pesos, 1,000 pesos. Okay, 1,000. Yan guys, 1,000. So, recipient account number, yung account number nyo sa GCash, enter nyo lang yung number nyo, or yung cell number, yung mobile number nyo, yung mismo account number nyo sa GCash, yung account number nya, which is yung mobile number nyo, kung saan nakaregister sa inyo yung GCash. Okay, yung account name nyo guys sa GCash. Okay, yung account name. And description guys, ayun guys yung optional. Kunyari, transfer funds. Okay, transfer funds. Yan. Optional lang naman yan guys, pero kung gusto nyo palagay, ilagay nyo. Okay. Yung add to favorites guys, ito yung guys yung maganda dito sa add to favorites dahil once na nakapag-input na kayo, makapag-enter na kayo ng information, dito guys, matik na masisave na siya once na i-add nyo sa favorites. For example, next time, magta-transfer kayo ng money ulit sa GCash, i-click nyo lang itong yung mismong itong in-add nyo sa favorites. Once nya inon nyo to, okay, yan guys, pangalan na sample, transfer to PassPlus to GCash. Pag nilagay nyo lang yan dito yung name nyo, pangalan ng pinag-transferan nyo, for example, PassPlus to GCash. Okay, so hindi na kayo ulit mag-i-enter ng information. Okay, yun yung kagandahan sa add to favorites. I-click nyo lang yun, matik na yun, nandun na lahat ng information. Okay, yun lang guys. So i-enter ko lang guys yung information and ko-complete ko lang lahat ng information guys. Once na na-complete ko na guys lahat ng information, I'll be back for the update. Okay, and okay, so bigyan ko yung update guys after kong ma-input lahat ng information. Okay,
12 seconds later.
hello guys, this is for the update. So guys, na-finish ko na guys yung pag-enter ng information. So guys, dito may makikita tayo dito guys ng confirmation. Okay, nandito lahat ng yung information na in-enter ko. Okay, yung transfer from, transfer to, amount, date and time, kung kailan at anong oras ako nag-transfer ng money, and then description. Okay, so dito guys yung confirmation, and then ito guys kailangan natin i-double check bago natin i-confirm. Okay, so dito guys yung PassPlus account ko. Okay, double check ko lang guys yung account number ko sa GCash, yung amount. Okay, so once na confirm na natin guys, okay naman yung information na in-enter natin. Okay, so click lang natin tong confirm. Click ko lang tong guys yung confirm. Okay, click ko lang tong confirm. So enter the 6-digit MPIN. Okay, so enter ko lang guys yung 6-digit MPIN ko para mag-proceed yung transaction. Okay. Okay, so makikita natin guys, transfer successful. Okay. So dito guys, maghihintay lang tayo guys. Okay. Then go to the home page. So guys, makikita natin sa PassPlus account ko, nabawasan na ako ng 1,000 pesos. Okay guys, so dito guys, makikita natin nabawasan na ako ng 1,000. Yan guys. So ngayon guys, magbibigay lang ako update once na na-receive ko na yung amount na 1,000 pesos sa GCash. So guys, bibigyan ako kayo update later. Okay guys, dito guys makikita natin. So ngayon guys, naka-receive ako ng text message from CIMB na successful daw yung pag-transfer ko ng money worth 1,000 pesos from CIMB Bank to GCash. Okay, meron dito nakikita natin yung date and time kung kailan. So guys, dito guys, titingnan ko na yung GCash ko. Kung talagang na-receive ko na yung 1,000 pesos ko from CIMB, click ko lang itong GCash. So guys, dito makikita natin na hindi ko pa nare-receive yung 1,000 pesos sa GCash. Kasi ang available balance ko ngayon is 1.07. So dito guys, maghihintay na lang ako. Okay, kung na-receive ko na yung 1,000 pesos within a day. Okay, within today guys, kailangan ma-receive ko na yung 1,000 pesos. Okay, so bibigyan na lang ako guys ng update later kung na-receive ko na yung worth 1,000 pesos from CIMB dito sa GCash, worth 1,000 pesos. Okay, so yun na lang update guys.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, just for the update. So guys, ngayon guys, ngayon naka-receive ako ng text from GCash. Ito guys, na-receive ko na yung pinadala nilang 1,000 pesos. Okay, yung GCash from CIB Bank. Okay guys, so na-receive ko siya guys nung 4:32 PM. Okay, ngayong day na rin nito guys, na-receive ko rin yung 1,000. Okay, nag-text din sila guys, yung from GCash. Okay, 1,000 pesos. Ngayon guys, check natin sa GCash ko. Okay, check natin ko sa GCash. Okay, GCash app. Kung talagang na-receive ko na yung money na tinransfer ko from CIMB to GCash worth 1,000 pesos. Okay. Oh, ngayon guys, nakita ko ngayon guys, 1,001 na 0.07 yung available balance ko, which is successful yung pag-transfer ko from CIMB Bank to GCash. Okay? So, ganun lang guys kung paano mag-transfer ng money from CIMB to GCash. Okay? Yun lang guys. So, salamat sa panonood. So guys, so if you have a question, suggestion, comment, please let me know guys. Free lang kayo mag-comment sa YouTube channel ko or mag-question sa YouTube channel ko para masagot ko agad ang mga questions nyo. Okay? So kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ito, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and click all notification bell button para updated lahat kayo sa mga vlogs ko. Thank you guys and God bless.